Guys, good evening. And today's topic is future just make passive and future simple. Just in future simple. Today's topic is make just in future simple and how to change into passive in future. So let's start. And why we use passive. What is the need to use passive? And today's we let's start. The subject is unknown or unimportant. That's why I use passive and we use passive. Let's start. The active voice to change into passive voice. The first sentence is very important in a structure. Sub is a simple of that. Subject plus will, verb, base form of the verb means first form of the verb, then object. It's a simple like I will, he will complete the project, and the passive formula of that. Sub object plus will plus be plus verb की third form plus subject or whatever extra word. This is a formula of what we can say that this is a formula of passive. So let's start the first one. He will completed the project. Which one is the object from there? Object is so important. In previous two classes I taught about this. Object is so important. Without object you cannot make passive. So he will complete the project. Project is an object and first object. Project will be. Project will be then third form of the verb, and there is a first form of the verb, then completed by her. This is a passive of future simple. Project will be completed by her. She will prepare the presentation. So presentation is the object, then first put presentation, then will. मैंने आपको क्या बताया था कि ये will be का वो है, ये will be का मतलब आप we can say that the structure of will be will plus be. यहाँ पे will be लगेगा तो क्या बनेगा, ये will be मैंने लगा दिया. Presentation will be prepared by her. This is the second one. And the third one, the team will solve the problem. Problem is a object in this, and subject is a team or noun, whatever we can say that the object is problem. Problem will be solved by the team. This is a simple. After will you can put here be, because the be is the main form of the verb hona, like this. The government will implement new policies. Let's start. Policies is an object here, and policies will be implemented. Third form of the verb implemented by the government or whatever. And the third one, they will build a new house, new bridge. Bridge is the object. उस पे काम हो रहा है bridge पे. That's why we put here the object. Bridge will be. ये बहुत आसान है. The bridge will be built by them. दे तो them लग जाएगा. Bridge will be prepared और bridge will be built by them, क्योंकि building थर्ड फॉर्म भी build होती है. By them ऑब्जेक्ट, दे यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट है, वहाँ पे जाके ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया. तो ये था पूरा आज का एक्टिव वॉइस टू पैसिव वॉइस. जो आपको अगर यहाँ पे नॉट लगाना है तो आप बिल्कुल जैसे यहाँ पे will not लगता है, जैसे यहाँ पे he will not complete project, यहाँ पे लगेगा प्रोजेक्ट विल नॉट बी, इन दोनों के बीच में क्या लगेगा, नॉट लग जाएगा। प्रोजेक्ट विल नॉट बी कंप्लीटेड बाय हर, या यहाँ पे आप शी विल प्रिपेयर द प्रेजेंटेशन, प्रेजेंटेशन विल नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड बाय हर, ये लगा सकते हैं। इस तरह से नोट भी आप उससे नेगेटिव भी बना सकते हैं। आल्सो यू कैन मैक नेगेटिव, एंड व्हाई वी यूज passive, that's why the subject is unknown or unimportant, that's why we use passive. Thank you to watch me, and we will meet again. If you interest in this video, we will meet again. Thank you.